there, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite desserts, chocolate chip pecan pie. And it is so easy and so good. Let me show you how. We're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're just going to pour it into our bowl. Then we are going to be adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. And then we are going to just give it a little stir and blend it all together. Then we are going to go ahead and take a 1/2 cup and take some spray. This is going to help get the corn syrup out easy once you get it in. I like to use light corn syrup. If you want to use dark corn syrup, you could. Or you could do like a 1/4 cup of corn syrup and a 1/4 cup of molasses if you like that really dark taste to your pecan pie. I don't. I like a lighter taste. I love the light corn syrup in mine. Then we're going to go to do 3 eggs. So we're just going to go ahead and we are going to crack them in a different bowl. Do not crack them in the same bowl because we want to go ahead and mix them up before we add them into our main bowl. You're just going to go ahead and mix up your eggs. Then we are going to put it into our main bowl. And then we are going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of your favorite vanilla. And then we are just going to whip it up and whip it all together. You really can just do this in a bowl. You don't need to really do this in your mixer because once we start adding in the pecans and the chocolate chips, they'll kind of break it apart. Now I use pecan halves, but you could use whatever you want. I literally do not cut them up. I actually use the whole halves into my pie, and I actually love it this way. We are going to do 2 generous cups. It's probably more like 2.5 to 2 3/4 because I really load up these cups into our mix. And you could even add in, after I saw it, I think you could even add in just a little bit more. And you're just gonna stir it in just a little bit. And then we are going to get our chocolate chips, and you could use whatever kind of chocolate chips you want. I kind of love the taste of actually Nestle Toll House chocolate chips, but you know, whatever kind that you want. And then we're just going to do 1 generous cup of chocolate chips and also pour that into our mixture. And then we are just going to mix it all together. You just need to get it incorporated. You don't need to mix this a whole lot. You're just mixing it so it's all mixed together. Then you're going to need a deep dish pie shell. You can either use one that's pre-made, you could make one, you could use the kinds that you roll out and put into your pie dish, however you want to do it. On this day I made it, I was trying to just show you guys how to make the filling, so I just used a pre-done one from the store, and it's so easy. You're going to just turn on your oven to 375 and you're going to place it in your pie for 10 minutes. Then we're going to turn it down to 350 and it's going to take about 45 minutes. I want to show you how you might think it's ready, but it's not. If it's still jiggly like this, it is not ready. When it is done and you kind of jiggle it, it's not going to move. It might have like a slight wave in the middle, but it should not be moving around. And that is truly how you will know that your pie is done. You don't even need to stick anything in it. You will know because it's going to need to cool off so it'll set. Here it is, totally done, cooled off, and it is delicious. I hope you guys give this a try. It really is a super easy pie that anyone can make. And I really want to wish all of you out there a very happy Thanksgiving. I love you guys, and I hope to see you soon.